Easy now, watch the fender on the left.
Got it. Coming up slowly, clear on this side.
All right, bring it over to the stand. Watch the harness on the left. Easy now. Clear. Keep coming straight back.
Check the voltage interlock on connector 3.
Reading secure. The harness routing looks correct according to the diagram.
Confirmed.
Let's log the final resistance values.
This label confirms the voltage calibration we discussed.
Yes, and the connectors here look perfectly sealed.